Alright, hello Miss Turner's Math 7 students. This is a video on how to submit your homework for the week. So today I am going to be collecting homeworks 1 through 4 for week 1. First of all, if you were not aware that we had homework or you got confused, you can always go to the classwork section on our Google Classroom. So click on classwork, scroll down to where it says week 1 remote learning. I'm going to scroll all the way down. And then I'm going to go all the way to where it says homework 1. So here's homework 1, we had homework 2, homework 3, and you had homework 4. If you click on this material right here and scroll down all the way down, you will see that there is a PDF that says homework 4, area of circles. I'm going to click on that. This is the homework you're responsible for. See, there's homework 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 problems for this homework. I would like you to either do it in your math notebook to keep it all organized or on a separate piece of paper. So I exited out of that and also letting you guys know that I have been submitting the solutions. So right here it says homework 3 and 4 solutions. If you click on this PDF, you can open it up and I have done every problem for you guys. This is a tool to help you learn because I want you to be doing this stuff correctly, not wrong. So please use this to your advantage. Make sure that you're titling your work correctly, first and last name, date, period. Please have similar structure to how I set up my paper. So please, before you turn in your homework, use this page to edit and correct your work. I also have the solutions for homeworks 1 and 2 as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the home page. Right here it says a new assignment, week 1, homeworks 1 through 4. I'm going to click on this. And each student has their own Google document. So what it's asking you to do is in the document that you have, please take a picture of each assignment and insert the picture on the appropriate page. So I'm going to click on this document. I have already taken pictures of each of my homework. So as you can see over here on the right, here are my 4 assignments right here. So I want 1 picture per page. So as it says, homework 1, day 1. So right here, you're going to take your picture for homework 1. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag it all the way over. And it's just going to insert directly onto the document. Then I'm going to scroll down and go to homework 2 right here. And I'm going to click on my homework 2 picture. I'm going to drag it over and it inserts directly onto the page. Super simple. I'm going to scroll down to homework 3. I'm going to take my homework 3 picture, drag it over and insert it directly onto the page. And then lastly, I'm going to go to homework 4. Click on my homework 4 picture, drag and drop. That one jumped to the next page, but if I just backspace a little bit, it will pop back up. And then you're going to go back to the assignment in the Google page and submit it directly to me. Hopefully this helped. If you have any other questions, please email me directly or comment below. Thank you. Have a great day.